Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCM. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a crunchy banana chin chin for commercial and for personal consumption. Guys, are you interested in making a commercial chin chin? If the answer is yes, scroll down on my channel. You are going to see different kinds of chin chin video. And I will also be putting the link below for you. I believe it will be helpful to you or to someone. And also, this is a WhatsApp number that you can also send the picture of yours to me if you are interested for me to see yours. If there's any question, if there's any area you want me to help out, I will also do so. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. For today's video, guys, let's get started. These are the ingredients needed. I will take my time, explain them one after the other, share them in the measurement in my description box. Here is all-purpose flour. So this is the banana I'm going to be using. Banana flavor. So for each 500 grams, which is half kilo, 1 banana. For 1,000 grams, 2 banana. If you are doing more than that, calculate it yourself. This is a melted butter, egg, milk, nutmeg, baking powder, salt, not really much, so the next thing, guys, all the dried ingredients go together, including the sugar. I will go ahead and give it I will go ahead and stir it. If your banana is even more riper than this, wonderful. Overripe, wonderful. So if you have this banana masher, you can use. If you don't have this, you can as well use your fork. Once it's already a liquid form like this, I'll add my flavor to it. As I earlier said, the measurement will be on my description box. Feel free to share the description box for the measurements. I will also add the eggs to it. Mixed. I'll go ahead and add the melted butter to it. So once I am done, I'll transfer the flour into a bigger bowl. Make a way at the middle, and I'll add the banana mixture. I'm going to use this spatula for a little while. I'll add the milk. Guys, when you are adding the liquid, it can be milk. You can use milk, and you can also use milk and water. So when you are adding the liquid, guys, make sure you don't add it once. If you add it once, if it's too liquid or too soft, when you start adding more flour to it, the result might not really comes out too good. So it is advisable you add the milk or the liquid gently. Despite that the measurement is to be, despite you are working with the measurement, but don't add it once. So this one can take you about 8 to 5 minutes when you are mixing this. Once I am done, I will allow it to rest for about 15 to 10 minutes. So this is the kind of oil that you should use. Don't use olive oil, even if you have it excess at home. So after 10 to 15 minutes, guys, it's already okay. So the next thing, I will wipe the surface, sprinkle a little flour on it. So I will portion it into two. So when you are spreading it, make sure it's not too light and it's not too thick. Can you see how it needs to look like? Please go ahead and like this video, guys. Help me to like the video, comment on it. Help me to share the video in all your platforms. Guys, have you liked this video? If you have not done so, please go ahead and like the video. Don't you know it will be helpful to this channel? It will make this channel to move forward. Please, if you like what you are saying, just go ahead and like it. Like it for me. And also share the video. I believe it will be helpful to someone, to your neighbor, to your friends. Share the video in all your platform. So can you see how it looks like, guys? Yeah, it's like they are gummy, but don't worry about that. Once it gets to the oil, they will separate themselves. At this point, guys, I have started preheating my oil. So before you start frying, just put 1 or 2 drops to know if it's hot or not. Once you see that the oil is ready to use, lower your gas. This one is very important. Make sure you lower your gas before starting. Once you see that the oil is ready to be used, lower your gas. As you are seeing this now, I have already lowered my gas. So just keep stir frying. So at this point, I have already put my gas in a medium heat. So at this point, I have already finally hide my gas so that it will not drink oil. So go ahead and help me to share the video. So this is the outcome of the one we did together. So the done of it, this one is off camera. Please share the video. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.